Hello, and our topic today is all about right triangle. Example number 1. Right triangle trigonometric help us find a known side or angle, right angle, triangles using trigonometric ratios. In this example, we will use the sine function to find the height of a wall. A ladder 10 meters long leans against a wall, forming a 60 degrees angle with the ground. Find the height of the wall. Here are solution. Sine close parenthesis 60 degrees equals hypotenuse opposite. Hypotenuse function of x. Opposite is 10 times. You get sine close parenthesis 60 degrees. The answer is 0.866 meters. So the ladder reaches 8.66 meters high on the wall. By using the sine function, we found the height of the wall. This shows how trigonometry is helpful in real-life problems like measuring heights safely. Example number 2. Trigonometric ratios are useful for finding the height of objects that are hard to measure directly. In this example, we will use the tangent function to find the height of a tower. Problem. A man stands 50 meters away from a tower. The angle of elevation to the top of the tower is 30 degrees. Find the height of the tower. There are solutions. Tan close parenthesis 30 degrees equals hypotenuse over opposite. 50 times tan is 30 degrees. 50 times 0.577 equals 28.85 meters. Answer is the height of the tower is 20.85 meters. That problem you can use SOHCAHTOA. You can use sine, tan, cosine, but you can use tan because yan yung hinahanap natin para makuha natin yung meters.